Bacain enggak? Wes, aku sampai satir ya. Mulai nih. Wes direkam. Tuh aku kok dipotong ya? Assalamualaikum. Iya. Gak usah ngikut-ikutan ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to present about teaching speaking skills for tour guides Kawaii. This topic is important because tourism, especially for tour guides, English is not only learned but used directly in real situations. This is our member. There are Revi Alvina Putri. The student number is 2310231009. And then my friend is Putri Adelia Sukawardani. With name 2310231005. Okay, the first slide is introduction. Tourism is one of the industries that highly depends on communication. In this field, tour guides interact directly with especially international visitors who use English as a common language. Because of that, they cannot only understand English passively, but they must be able to speak actively and clearly. Speaking skill become essential because it is used in almost every interaction, such as it's used in almost every interaction, such as giving information, answering questions, and guiding tourists during the trip. Next. And then why speaking matter for tour guide? Speaking is very important for tour guides because it is the main tool for communication. A tour guide must explain information about the destination in a way that is clear and easy to understand. They also help tourists understand what they see, such as natural phenomena or cultural aspects. In addition, speaking is important for safety. If instructions are not delivered quickly, it may cause misunderstanding and even danger, especially in places like Malaysia. So, good speaking skill can improve tourist experience and safety. And then focus of the topic. In this presentation, we focus on speaking skill in a specific situation, which is guiding tourists. The context is Kawaii, which has unique characteristics and challenge. So, this topic is not about learning grammar in general, but about how English is used in real communication. This is related to ESP, where language learning is focused on speaking needs. And then about Kawaii. Kawaii is located in East Java, Indonesia. It is one of the most famous tourist destinations. It is well known for its unique fire phenomenon, which can only be found in a few places in the world. Besides that, there is also silver mining activities, which makes this place even more unique. Many international tourists visit Kawaii, so English communication is very important here. From my experience visiting Kawaii, the weather can be unpredictable. At the time there was a storm, so the situation become quite difficult. This shows a tour guide must not only explain information, but also to ready to handle unexpected conditions. And then tour guide activities. A tour guide has several important responsibilities. First, they welcome tourists and create a good first impression. Second, they explain information about the destination, such as history, natural phenomena, and interesting facts. And then the third, they give safety instruction, especially in dangerous areas like Kawaii. And finally, they answer questions from tourists. All these activities require active speaking, so communication skills are very important.
Andiyan, deskripsikan ko kaigyan dia guys.
And the next is language use. To guide should use polite and friendly language because they represent the service quality. They also need to speak clearly so tourists can understand easily, especially because tourists come from different countries and backgrounds. Using simple sentence is better than using complex grammar. The main goal is not to sound perfect, but to be understood. So, clarity and politeness are more important than complexity. Next, speaking skill needed. There are four important components with speaking skills. First is fluency, which means the ability to speak smoothly without too many pauses. And then the second is pronunciation, which means saying words clearly so they can be understood. And then the third is vocabulary, especially what relate to tourism, such as crater, gas, or hiking trail. And the last is confidence, because even if someone knows English, they may not be able to communicate well without confidence. These four aspects must be developed together. And next, common expression. Tour guides use different expression depending on the situation. For example, when greeting tourists, they use welcoming expression. When explaining, they describe the place clearly. When giving warnings, they must use firm, be polite language. And when giving direction, they need to be clear and specific. This expression help communication become more natural and effective. And then sample dialogue. This slide show an example of a conversation between a tour guide and tourist. In this dialogue, the guide greets the tourist, explains the activity, and gives safety instruction. This example shows how English is used in real situation, not just in theory. It also shows the importance of clarity and politeness in communication. Next slide. Other situation. In real life, tour guides often face unexpected situations. For example, tourists may feel tired during the hike, or the weather may suddenly change. Sometimes, tourists also ask many questions that require clear explanation. Besides on my experience in Kawaiian, the weather the weather changes quickly and becomes stormy. So, a tour guide must be flexible, calm, and able to communicate clearly in any situation. And next, safety example. Safety is one of the most important aspects in kawaii. There is sulfur gas that can be harmful if inhaled too much. Therefore, tour guides must give clear and firm instruction, such as asking tourists to wear masks. They also need to explain why the instruction is important, so tourists will follow it. And then good communication can help prevent this situation. How to teach this skill? To teach speaking effectively, we should use real life situations. Students can practice through role play where they act as a tour guide and tourist. This helps This helps them experience real communication. We also use videos or simulation to make learning more interesting. And this approach makes students more active and confident in speaking. And then key points. The key points from this presentation are speaking is a skill that must be practiced regularly. Using simple and clear is more effective, and learning should focus on real communication situations. These points are important in ESP, especially in tourism. So, in conclusion, speaking skills is very important for tour guides. In a place like Kawah Ijen, tour guides must be able to explain information clearly and ensure the safety of tourists. Learning speaking, learning speaking through practice and real situation is the best way to improve this skill. So that's all from our presentation. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.